does your morning look like? Unrecognizable inconveniences are demanding your time from your everyday routine. What if there is a product that can give you more free time and be more productive? Cordless and adjustable hairdryer COOLO will improve your lifestyle. You will enjoy the things you like and gain more freedom and flexibility. Experience the quality of your day change instantly. COOLO, the cordless hairdryer, can freely adjust the angle of the product from 1 degree to 89 degrees. Set the angle as you want, put it in the cradle, and use it. It can keep your hands free while drying your hair and is easy to mount and charge after use, which means your morning routine becomes more simple and easier. Now you can dry your hair anywhere and do something productive at the same time. With COOLO, you become a true multitasker. The performance of COOLO is as powerful as the corded hairdryer. BLDC motor that rotates 100,000 times per minute, and 4 high-efficiency batteries of 3,000 mAh will provide the optimum power and temperature for your hair. In addition, we reduce the noise to a minimum level by using the noise-reducing components that we developed. We considered even the smallest details. We used magnets in the joints of the nozzle, dryer, and cradle to make them easy to detach and store. And the weight inside the cradle makes it sturdy and stable to withstand the dryer. A smooth rotation of the dryer body, a comfortable grip with one hand, and 1 pound of its light weight make COOLO even more special and easy to use. COOLO is a perfect hairdryer for people who enjoy outdoor activities. Since you can easily dry your wet hair with this cordless hairdryer anytime, anywhere. A bulky hairdryer can't go right with the interior design of your room aesthetically, whilst you can use COOLO as an interior design object. COOLO will look great in any type of interior design or space. The one and only hairdryer that will change your daily life. Improve the quality of life and upgrade your space with COOLO.